How we doing today, people? This your boy Yancymane back with another video, and today I'll be doing a unboxing of the Moto watch uh, 100. This is what it is on the top. Got this about 2 weeks ago. It was released, and haven't had a chance to fool around with it. So real quick, I'm unboxing it. Real quick look around the box. Show you one of the faces. What's inside the box? Like instructions, charger, watch band, and the watch itself. That's about it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed to the channel, turn on those notifications so you know when I drop new content. Also like and share this video. And as always, I encourage you guys to drop your comments below, and I will respond to them at my earliest convenience. Alright? Happy holidays, happy Hanukkah to everyone. Today is Wednesday the 22nd, so I hope you already got your shopping done. Ain't nothing left on the shelves, and if you order it, ain't no guarantee you're gonna get it before Christmas. Anyway, let's see what we got in the box. Well, we saw that on the side of it. Alright. Decent presentation. Oh, by the way, this watch was $100. 108 after taxes, so wasn't expecting a whole lot for the presentation. All right, so let's watch itself. Not bad, rubber band, nice weight to it, not too heavy. I think it's like an alloy material. Y'all couldn't see it, my bad. Like I said, nice rubber band. I believe this is an alloy material. Doesn't feel heavy, it's metal. I'm pretty sure these are plastic. Anyway, there's a charger. Inside it on the side of the box. Let's see what kind of charger it is. Okay. So it's one of those that just should magnetize on the side. Yeah. The magnet pretty strong too, so that's a bonus. You ain't gotta worry about it flopping off. Alright. Thing else. Quick start guide. I shouldn't need this. Once I download the app, I should be good to go. Alright. So this is a pretty basic, pretty straightforward, simple smartwatch. I got it as a gift from my mother, who's not very tech savvy. So I'm gonna set it up. Pause the video and I'm gonna set it up. Download the app, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, guys, I found the app. It's a Moto watch. As you can see, it's installing. Real quick note, this app got a rating of 2.2. I thought that was interesting. Usually when the rating that low, either the app really sucked or it wasn't but a handful of people to leave a comment. So, all right, I'll pause the video again and set it. And the time is way off, but I think once I sync it to my my phone, all that'll change. All right. Okay. So once you get it set up, I hope you guys can see this with a glare. Once you get the app downloaded, and I got the watch on, that's how it kind of looks. You go to set up watch, or if you already have an account, you just sign in at the bottom. But we're gonna set up watch. So press this button to turn on. It's on. Let's proceed. So watch power on. Yes. Auto clicks. Blah blah blah. Continue. Only this time. Searching for my watch. So while it's searching, let's see what pops up. Oh, there it is. Okay, sorry about that, y'all. So it's a, I found a watch, so pair this device. Yes. Pair. Still nothing yet. Finishing setup. Shouldn't take a whole lot of time. Oh, there it is. Next. Pause the video and continue to put in my personal information. Alright, as you can see, it did update. Be right back. Okay, after you get the code from through your email, it asks you to set up a password, which I did, and then it goes into this, which is probably going to determine, you know, your steps and maybe your water intake, those kind of things that have to do with your health. So pause video and type this in. Okay. So once I put in my personal information, this is what pops up. Just track your steps, sleep, energy burn. This is the kind of stuff that's going to be tracked on your watch. Okay. Of course, I don't have any recent data. I just set it up. Nothing on sleep. Set the sleep goals, sleep schedule, sleep quality. Oh, set up sleep monitoring. That's nice. Again, folks, this watch is $100, so this is not bad. It's not running Android or anything like that. It's running its own Motorola software, which is real lightweight. I can say the same thing for the device itself. Rather feels like I have anything on versus wearing my Samsung Watch 4. So for wellness, heart rate, blood oxygen, not bad. Weight, not bad at all for $100. I might have to grab another one of these just for my workout watch. And of course, track your calories burnt. That's cool. And I think that's all it is to this watch. Through the app anyway. So for a little bit around the watch itself, the swipes are very responsive. There's a slight lag. Oh, sorry about that. The swipes are very responsive. There's a slight lag as the screen turns. As you can see right there. Okay. Let's see here. Play and pause. I don't have nothing to play and pause, but we'll tap it anyway. So I assume this will control your music or YouTube video or whatnot. Of course, I don't have any sleep data. Make sure you strap it fast and tightly. I was gonna measure something. Back it up a little bit so I can see. I'm not sure if I have it on tight enough, so this might not be accurate. Almost done. Oh, that's my heart rate. Let's see. Still going. Probably because I'm not holding my arm at the right angle, or it's just probably not tight enough. So Anyway, you guys get the gist of it. If you play with the heart rate sensor on a smartwatch, it's the same thing. Of course, I hadn't been asleep with it, no data. Weather. Thought I'd set that up on the watch. Through the app. So this is your back button. It also brings up, this is your back button, but it also brings up your options on your watch. So stopwatch, settings, sleep, notification, music, weather, and flashlight. Again, folks, I know I keep saying it, but $100, this is not bad for all the things you're getting in this Moto watch. I had no idea there was gonna be loaded like this. All right, look at her shutter. That's cool. That's real cool. So I think the bottom button is a dedicated back button. I don't know. It brings up your health options. Let's see. Outdoor, walk, indoor run, bike, hike, row. Oh my goodness, elliptical, football, basketball, football American, tennis, cricket. Okay. This was a steal. Yeah. And $100, this was a steal. Wow. I'm blown away. What is this? Let me get a closer look at this. Oh, your blood pressure. Oh no, your beats per minute. Let's see. Yeah, this is nice, guys. Definitely too late to try to get it as a gift for someone. But if they need a smart watch, you're not trying to spend a whole lot of money, this is definitely it. Again, this is the Moto Watch 100. I would just type in Moto Watch, but also I got mine from Motorola directly because I pre-ordered it. This watch was just released about, I guess, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, roughly 2 weeks. 2 weeks and some change ago. It took a little while to get to me because of the change of address. All right. Okay, guys. So overall, I like this watch. Very impressed with what you get for $100. My mom gonna definitely love it. I definitely recommend it. It's worth every penny. If you're just looking to get a new smartwatch or a different smartwatch, or maybe just a smartwatch to work out with, it's definitely light enough for that. Like I said, not too clunky or heavy like your Samsung watches. All right. If you haven't already, again, subscribe to the channel. Give me that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Turn on notifications for more content. And drop those comments. Anybody interested in getting this watch, I'll be glad to send you the link. If I didn't cover something and you had questions about it, drop it in the comments and I'll respond, like I said, at my earliest convenience. This is your boy Yancymane. I'm out.